Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to find Twitter X username with email. It is easy to forget Twitter handles, and as many people don't use their real names on Twitter, finding their profile can be a nightmare. Fortunately, if you know their email, you can perform a simple Twitter search and quickly track them down. Follow this video to reveal even the most hidden Twitter accounts. Add the person email to your contacts. Open Twitter on your mobile device. Tap Settings. Then click Settings and Privacy. Tap Privacy and Safety. Then select Discoverability and Contacts. Click Sync Address Book Contacts. Once you turn this feature on, Twitter will constantly upload your contacts to the social media app and suggest you follow your contacts that already have Twitter accounts. After importing your contacts, Twitter will instantly reveal which of your contacts have a Twitter account by matching email accounts. You can either follow individual accounts by tapping follow or follow them all by clicking follow all. This is the most effective way to find someone on Twitter using their email. It only takes a few minutes, and you will know for sure if the email account is associated with any Twitter accounts. The downside to this method is that the person you are looking for may be using an alternative email account. If that is the case, you won't be able to find their Twitter profile. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.